Hi, good afternoon. So everything is good, everything is going well. एजेंसी अपना सारा काम कर रही है और मेरे ख्याल से जैसे ही जितने अक्यूज्ड हैं, once agency will take them in custody, they should have valid document and evidence to produce in court. So I think they are on right track. और आप लोग निराश मत होइए, आप लोग की जो पावर है सुशांत भाई के साथ है, और अपने को जो ये जस्टिस है ये बेग करके नहीं लेना है, अपने को जस्टिस चढ़ के लेना है. जस्टिस को हमारा अधिकार है, इसके लिए हमें कोई घुटने के बल बैठ के नहीं लेना है, अपने को चढ़ के लेना है. सो हिम्मत बनाए रखिए. और सॉरी मैं इंटीमेट करके नहीं आया लाइव पे आने के लिए, मैंने कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं दिया था, मैं ऐसे ही आ गया हूँ. आप लोग फिर से वीडियो देख सकते हैं और कह के लेंगे, एकदम कह के लेंगे. और अपने को देखिए, आप सेटिस्फाई नहीं लग रहे हैं एजेंसी से, बट देखिए होता क्या है कि एजेंसी ने अगर कल एक्यूज़ को अरेस्ट कर लिया और कोर्ट में लेके गई, कोर्ट में अगर वो एविडेंस नहीं देंगे तो उनको बेल मिल जाएगा. फिर आप लोग क्या बोलेंगे कि यार सब मिला हुआ है. मैंने पहले ही बोला है, आप एजेंसी को काम, हम और आप एजेंसी तो है नहीं, हमको और आपको तो कोई डेटा देगा नहीं. प्लीज़ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो एनसीबी के पास भी कुछ एविडेंस होगा, तभी तो अभी तक सब अंदर है. अगर नहीं होता तो सब छूट जाते. आप समझ रहे हैं ना. डोंट थिंक they are not doing anything, they are doing everything. His father, uncle, his dad is okay, he is well. So try to understand. If you will say हर घंटे या हर मिनट तो एजेंसी कुछ नहीं करेगा ना. If NCB would have not got the valid evidence, अभी तक तो सब छूट के बाहर आ गए होते. So try to understand what they are making the paper very strong, so that if they, because what will happen when they make arrest, they will have to produce them in court. And if they will not have valid document, I'm talking about CBI only, agency. If they will not have valid all the paperwork, they will get the bail. Then what you will say, what we all will say, कि everyone is, everything is fixed. So try to understand. Many people who are there on Insta is not there on Twitter, so I just give a small update that trust agency, everything is okay, and we don't need to panic. When they will have sufficient evidence, they will do whatever they have to do, and trust agency. Okay, ये जस्टिस जो है हमको बेग नहीं करना है, जस्टिस मिलेगा. हम लोग का सबका अधिकार है इंडिया में, सबको मिलेगा. हाँ, सब फेयर इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं करेगा. देखिए उनके ऊपर भी प्रेशर है, उनको भी रिजल्ट देना है. सो प्लीज़ डोंट डाउट एनी एजेंसी. अगर एजेंसी नहीं करते तो अभी तक जितने एक्यूज्ड हैं वो अरेस्ट नहीं होते. अंकल एंड एवरी वन इज़ ओके, एंड एवरी वन इज़ आस्किंग मी वॉट एजेंसी इज़ डूइंग on Twitter also or Insta also. The thing is, I not updated anyone that I'm coming live, but only update is don't panic. By your panic, agency will not do anything. There are two campaign. Hello Megha. There are two campaign coming. Okay, one is message for SSR, which will be on coming Monday 21st. AIMS report might come next week. There are two campaign going to come. One is message for SSR, in which we will, whatever messages you have, which you want to give him, which you want to give to his family, you can make a letter, you can create a message, a small video of 60 seconds, a small audio, and you can post it on, we all have to pray for him. I'm talking about in general. Many people are panicking what is happening, so we all have to pray. So you create this message for SSR on Monday, and one we will do is Sushant Earth Day. Please be louder. Okay. One we will do Sushant Earth Day, which will be on 27th of September, Sunday. Okay, and that will be whatever we can do for conserving our earth. For our earth, so it will be Sushant Earth Day. That detail will also we will share with you. And one coming is message for SSR. Whatever message you want to give, in terms of a letter, in terms of a video, in terms of audio, less than 60 second. You can post it. That information I will share here. The Sushant Earth Day will be on 27th of September, Sunday. The timing will be from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. so that it will not match any, disturb any hashtag campaign. So every weekend we can do something, and we will, so whatever message you would have for SSR, which you wanted to give or you want to give to his family, you can do it. Yeah, I will post it on social media. I already tweeted it, so the posters and everything is coming, that I will post on Insta. And my sound is low. Okay, I will post that soon. I will post that soon on Insta and Twitter, the poster, so that you will be aware what I'm talking about. And rest assured, agency is doing its well, their work. They will give justice, and this justice we don't need to beg anyone. ये justice हमको छीन के लेना है. ये justice is our right. ये justice के लिए we don't need to beg. Okay, be united, be together, pray God that everyone will get justice. Okay, and let's be together. Whatever campaign is coming, participate in it. Sir, Hindi में बोलो. Okay, so 2 campaign are coming. Okay, 2 campaign आ रहा है. Message for SSR and सुशांत अर्थ डे. पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए. मैसेज फॉर SSR में जो भी मैसेज आप सुशांत भाई या उनकी फैमिली को देना चाहते हैं, हाँ हिंदी में ही बोल रहा हूँ भाई, जो आप उनके फैमिली को देना चाहते हैं, आप उसको एक नोट बना के आप उस दिन सोशल मीडिया पे जो भी आपको ट्विटर या इंस्टा हैंडल होगा आप वहाँ पे टैग कर दीजिएगा. And we will send to their family, and we will upload all this on one place where everyone can see it, English or Hindi, so everyone can see it. क्या अपने मैसेज देना चाह रहे हैं, क्या है, whatever is there, because बहुत सारे लोग, बहुत सारे messages, many people, many messages they want to give to SSR family and SSR. You all can do it. Okay. एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज सुशांत अर्थ डे. सुशांत अर्थ डे में अर्थ के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग. ओके, आई एम टॉकिंग इन हिंदी इंग्लिश बोर्ड. सो सुशांत अर्थ डे यू कैन do something like we can switch off all the light for 10-15 minutes for a certain period, lit up candle, and do something on name of SSR. Will be on Sushant Earth Day. ओके, सो 2 कैंपेन कमिंग. इंसाफ मिलेगा, बट इंसाफ के साथ उनकी लेगेसी को मेंटेन करना है. संडे को 3 घंटा के लिए अपन सब ये कर सकते हैं. वी ऑल कैन स्पेयर 2-3 आवर्स ऑन संडे एंड वी कैन डू इट. ठीक है. एंड सी देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स, वी हैव टू डू मेनी थिंग्स इन लाइफ. ओके, वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इट दैट अभी द प्रायोरिटी इज SSR. अभी किसी ने किसान के बारे में लिखा, वी कैन डू फॉर फार्मर्स, वी कैन डू फॉर मेनी पीपल, बट फॉर दैट वी हैव टू बी टुगेदर. आप जैसे प्लांट्स फॉर SSR ऑलरेडी हो गया है, आप सुशांत अर्थ देकर इन प्लांटिंग भी कर सकते हैं. रिसाइकल्ड बैग्स खरीद सकते हैं, फार्मर से कुछ खरीद सकते हैं. कुछ भी जो अर्थ को आप फायदा, क्लीनिंग कर सकते हैं. बट कोविड के समय में घर पे रख के ही आप जो कर सके, बी एट होम, यू कैन डू वॉट एवर to for SSR and for Earth you can do. So it will be Sushant Earth Day on 27th of September. We will share the posters and everything, and for this message for SSR, everything will give. Okay, we are taking care of everyone. The purpose of coming is a lot of messages are coming to update what is update. So it's very simple that if anything will come, they will do a press conference and everybody will do it. Everyone will come to know what is happening. Okay, so rest assured, whatever we are doing, we will post it. Thank you, Kerala. We will post it, and you should participate. Sunday 3 to 4 hours we can do something to maintain his legacy. Justice we all are asking for, and we don't need to beg for it. We have to take it anyhow. So be strong. And one more important thing is a lot of people are getting legal notices. A lot of YouTubers are getting legal notices because the video they are making, the video they are making from the sources or the news are not verified, and that's how they are getting a lot of legal notices. So stop making those news which are not true. See, if someone is a big news agency, big news channel, if you are doing something, they have big lawyers to fight for them. But someone will get notice, it will mentally disturb you, so avoid it. If you know something concrete, if you have something in black and white, you can do it. If you don't have, please avoid it, refrain from it, try to understand. Okay, someone needs my help, you email me, my email ID is there, you can email me. Okay, so whatever is fact, make video on that. If you don't have fact, don't make. And if you're making, you will have to take care of yourself. No one can come and help you. Please try to understand. You might think that no one is watching you, no one is sending you anything, but try to understand that if they will find something wrong in it, they will do legal action on you. Okay, so avoid doing that. Anyone can write anything, there's no problem, anyone can make any video, but there should be some evidence behind it. Without that, there will be some problem. My email ID is my name initial, Nilotpal. Okay, see the ID, Nilotpal 333 is my ID, so Nilotpal, and add a M there, M for mango at gmail.com. Nilotpal M at gmail.com. My ID initial, Nilotpal, M for mango at gmail.com. Okay, so don't make any video, because many people are coming to me and asking for help who has got legal notice. I cannot help because I cannot validate those video what they have made. So please don't refrain from making any video. We don't validate it. This is the email ID. Yes, this is the email ID. I don't validate anything. Hoga, it will take time. Kab tak final hoga? They are also here to give result. Okay, so we need to be patient at least. If there will be something very urgent, I will come and update you all. So, but be please patient, because if they will do any arrest, they will take to the court, then accused might get bail very soon. So let them work, try to understand. Let us all have some patience. We respect each and everyone standing for the SSR justice, and we will take it. Yes, this is the email ID. Yes, M will be small, anything. Yeah, this is the email ID. Okay, so stay safe, stay together, and don't follow those news which is not genuine. Anyone can come and say anything. Someone will say, people had come from Nigeria, Somalia, whatever they can say, but that's be patient, try to understand. Okay, we all are here, we will fight, we will win, but don't get panic. Pray to God, and we will get justice. If any update will be there, I will come and give. And if you have sent the email, you resend the email again. I will recheck it. But a lot of mail would have come. I would have missed it. You forward me again. If I would be able to help you, I will help you. Okay, so don't get panic. Anything will be there, I will update. I keep posting a lot of photos and videos of SSR, that I will keep posting it. And relax, we don't need to panic. We will win this. We will not beg for it, we have to take it. ये लेके रखना है अपने को, ठीक है? अपने को बेग नहीं करना है, झुक के नहीं लेना है, अपने को सामने से लेना है, और अपन जीतेंगे. ठीक है? चलिए, जय हिंद.